My name is Michelle Dyer, and I just have to note I am not a financial advisor. Please consult one. And the views expressed here are strictly my own and do not reflect my employer. Debt. There's no way around it. It stinks. And I felt like my credit card debt, I was putting money toward my credit card, and it was hampering me from investing in my future, whether that's a retirement account or an investment account. So definitely check out Dave Ramsey's stuff. He's got the book, The Total Money Makeover, the Actors Fund. I haven't even talked about the Actors Fund yet. They have classes in managing debt, and they can help you try to figure out the student loan situation. Talk to your credit union or your bank. Definitely, there are resources out there. So check out Dave Ramsey's stuff. Go to the Actors Fund and talk to them about your debt. Take some classes because you got to knock this out so you can start saving for your future. And when you knock out that credit card and student loan debt, the money that you are putting toward that debt every month, you're used to not having in your monthly income. So then put that money toward a retirement account or to an investment account. So don't say like, oh, now I can spend the extra X amount of dollars a month. No, 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 no. Pretend that you're still paying off that debt, but put it toward your retirement or an investment account and have a ton of fun with it. So, debt, get it taken care of.
So let's look at what happens when you don't pay your credit card off in full each month. Let's say I'm using the Credit Karma debt repayment calculator. You make a $2,000 purchase and you never charge another cent to this credit card again. Say you only pay off $100 of the credit card each month and your interest rate on this card is 10%. It takes you 22 months to pay off that $2,000 charge. And with an interest rate of 10%, that $2,000 charge ends up costing you $2,200 because $2,000 is the initial principal and that $200 is interest. The beauty of compound interest, it either works for you or against you. So that's why you want to invest and get the beauty of compound interest on your side. Now, that's if you charge $2,000 and never charge another cent to this credit card. If you keep charging money onto this credit card and your balance goes over and over and over each month, you are paying interest on the balance owed on your credit card plus the interest that the credit card is charging you each month. Beauty of compound interest, it either works for you or for the credit card company.